Are you throwing your loose scrunchie? Stop. Do not throw. Let's repair it. With one simple trick, we can reuse your favorite scrunchie hair tie. Let's see how to. We need a seam ripper or a safety pin to remove stitches. Examine your scrunchie for the stitches at the edge. Majority of scrunchies have these stitches which needs to be removed in order to repair. Using the seam ripper, gently remove the stitches to open the scrunchie. Once you open the scrunchie, gently pull the elastic out. There is a secured knot on the elastic. By gently pushing and pulling the fabric, try to remove the knot out from the opening, as shown in the video. Now using a scissors, cut the edge of the elastic knot. It's time to secure the elastic by doing a strong knot, leaving some gap at the edges. After tying a knot, cut off the extra elastic as shown in the video. Now it's time to conceal the opening by stitching. We can do a machine stitch or hand stitch to conceal the opening. And guess what? We just repaired a scrunchie. Now you know how to repair and upcycle.